OneGo Air tutorial. OneGo Air uses the original 2-gear magnetic buckle. Pinch the lid and push with your index finger to open it. When putting down the lid, it will automatically snap shut. The clamshell opening design makes storage easy and fast. How do I install interior partitions? OneGo Air inherits the Module Pro system of the OneGo series, with snap-in partitions that allow for free customization to accommodate different sized equipment. To install the main partition A, first align the bottom of the partition with the red stitching inside the backpack, and then insert the hooks face down into the holes of the backpack. Foldable partition B can be used to separate the space further. Partition C can be used to divide the upper and lower space and store a drone kit. OneGo Air is available in 20-liter and 25-liter capacities, but only the 25-liter capacity includes partition D. The 4 combinations of 20-liter partitions are: 1. Insert 2 A partitions into the 2nd and 4th holes. Store a mirrorless camera, action camera, and Mavic Air combo and some small accessories. 2. Insert the 2 A partitions into the 1st and 4th holes. Store a mirrorless camera, lens, flash, Mavic 3 combo, and compact camera. 3. Insert the 2 A partitions into the 1st and 5th holes. Store 5D4 and 2 lenses, Mavic Mini combo, action camera, and other small accessories. 4. Insert the 2 A partitions into the 2nd and 3rd holes. Upper space for clothes, middle space for digital gear, and lower space for wash bags. The 4 combinations of 25-liter partitions are: 1. Insert the 3 A partitions into the 1st, 3rd, and 5th holes. Store a mirrorless camera, compact camera, action camera, and some small accessories. The Mavic 3 Cine can be placed on the bottom. 2. Insert the 3 A partitions into the 2nd, 4th, and 5th holes. Upper space for tech pouch, middle space for SLR or mirrorless cameras and 2 lenses, and lower space for Mavic 3 Cine. 3. Insert the 2 A partitions into the 3rd and 5th holes. Upper space for clothes, middle space for lens and earphones, lower space for SLR or mirrorless camera and lens and other items. 4. Insert the 3 A partitions into the 1st, 4th, and 5th holes. Upper space for mic, middle space for a large SLR camera and 2 lenses, and the lower space for Mavic 3 Cine. How do I store a laptop? The laptop sleeve is designed with a padded divider so that you can store a 16-inch MacBook Pro and a 12.9-inch iPad Pro separately. How do I use interior pockets? The front mesh pocket can store power banks, and the lower zipper pocket can store passports and wallets. On the right side of the OneGo Air is the quick access pocket. Unzip the pocket and you can find a battery sleeve. In addition, find the AirTag label inside the backpack, and there is a small opening nearby for storing AirTag. How do I use the pockets on the side? Take the straps out of the pockets and fix them to side loops to secure your items. How do I use external straps? Fasten one end of the 2 straps on the hanging loops at the bottom of the backpack respectively. Place tripods, sleeping bags, and other items on the bottom, and fasten the other end of the straps. How do I adjust the sternum strap? When using the sternum strap, align the strap buckle opening with the loops of the 2 straps and push firmly, then tighten or loosen the strap according to your needs. When you need to remove the sternum strap, just pull up the buckle.